Good. Friday looks okay for our financial analyst, Steve Buden, who's going to be doing some golfing. He's here with Financial Focus on Monday, though, as we start the week.
Charity golf.
Charity golf.
Charity golf.
That's true. Okay. Well, welcome back. We had President's Day off.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice long weekend there. But we're back, and we've got a lot of things to talk about. And one, the Chinese tariffs. We talk about this a lot. There kind of seems to be now what? We're on hold or delayed.
President's on his way to Asia, as you reported on. So they would like to have a deal wrapped up when he's over in Vietnam with the Chinese, because the markets really and the economy really has been on hold since this negotiation started. My only big concern about this whole thing is that they don't get an agreement just to get the sake of an agreement. There has to have an agreement with teeth. You know, the Chinese for years have been cheating on a lot of these agreements, so there's no reason to have an agreement if they're going to cheat anyway.
And then when he meets with Kim Jong-un and all that, does that change the markets? Is that something we need to be watching? I mean, it seems like whenever there's summits or meetings happen.
Kim Jong-un really is not a significant issue. It's really the Chinese. They have the second largest economy in the world. It's a huge market for us, over 1 billion people. You just want to have free and fair trade, and the Chinese haven't been allowing us to do that. Like I said, my big concern is with the elections coming up, there's a lot of pressure on getting a deal done, and the Chinese know that. So hopefully if they sign a deal, it's one they can honor.
Yeah, it is. It's a big deal.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's talk Target and their website. So apparently they're allowing third-party vendors to use their website, but not only are they allowing it, they're welcoming it, maybe soliciting it. You were saying.
So as opposed to Amazon.com and Walmart, where really if you're a third-party vendor, you can just sign a form and get on their website. Walmart and Amazon don't really have much in the way of checks and balances to see who's actually selling merchandise. And Walmart got into some trouble for this last year. Target, on the other hand, is taking a different approach. They're actually inviting third-party vendors to come on. So they sell Mizuno sneakers in the stores, they sell Casio electronics in the stores. They're going to allow those companies to apply and be on their website. So it gives them a little bit more control over who is going to be selling. So I've said for the last couple of years, companies are trying to figure out how to monetize a lot of this website purchase issue, because returns, the profit margins are kind of low when you do it over the internet. So Target's taking a little bit of a different approach. We'll see if it works.
Yeah, because sometimes we were saying when you go on Amazon, you go to order something and you're like, well, it's not coming really from Amazon, it's some other company and all that kind of thing. So it'll be similar to that?
Similar, but by invitation only.
Got it. All right, so let's talk Roma and Netflix. This is interesting. They won a lot of awards last night at the Oscars, and you were saying that could kind of change things when it comes to the movie industry.
Yeah, this is an interesting societal change here. So Roma was really one of the first movies to be released specifically on digital. Netflix created it, and they allowed a short run in the movie theaters just before they released it on Netflix, but nothing like a normal, I guess in the industry, a 90-day run is what they do before they go online. It gives the movie theaters a chance to make some money. But now with this situation and Disney Plus coming out later in this year, you know, will Disney just bypass the theaters altogether and let folks watch it when they want? You know, the popcorn's a lot cheaper at home.
Right, yeah, it's interesting. But there's the experience of going out to the movie, so it depends, you know?
Yeah.
It's kind of like coming to gamble in Las Vegas.
That's right.
You can go to, you know, other place or Indian reservation, but it doesn't have the
or maybe Netflix and Disney buys a theater.
True.
Right?
Very true. Steve, thanks so much. Steve will be back next Monday. Enjoy your golf charity game on Friday.
Thank you.
Stay with us. We're back after this.